Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I thought it would be really fun to do a glow up because actually by the time I'm filming or this video goes up, I will be traveling. So I thought it would be fun to just do a little glow up for when I'm traveling. So this is going to be kind of actually the week before I'm going to be doing this glow up. So we're going to spend a couple of days doing different things. So today I'm going to be doing my manicure and pedicure. Alright, so we are back in the bathroom. So I've already done my nails so many times on my YouTube channel before, so I'm not going to go into too much detail on what I'm doing, but I will have a video, a link down below, so you can watch the entire video of how I like to do my nails. Okay, so these are the finished nails. I absolutely love how they turned out. They look so nice, and excuse the mess on my fingers. When I was trying to use the cleanup brush, it just got super messy. So this is the finished result of the nails. And then tomorrow I'm going to be doing my toes. Actually right now, let's go ahead and do my root touch-up. So I have film on my phone right now because my camera is charging right now, since it died. So now I'm going to start just touching up my roots with my Sun in a hair lightener. I really hope I have enough because it doesn't feel like I have enough. I can do it one more time before we go to our trip, on our trip. But okay, so I'm going to do it in 4 sections. Okay, so I'm gonna take this first section. No, we're gonna do it like this. So I'm actually going to do 2 sections instead of 4, because I think that'll be a lot easier. So we're just going to separate this section. We're just gonna pick a section of hair and then spray the root, I guess. That's gonna be the easiest. Make sure to get the underside as well. Okay, the next section. Alright, so I'm going to sit outside for about 10 minutes while I just let this, I guess, set in, and then I'm actually going to blow dry the roots right after. I actually could not stay outside for very long because it's really hot today, so I just came in and now we're going to blow dry. So as always, I'm going to use the Sharp Flex style to blow dry my hair. I have the nozzle attachment on right now. And then for the settings, I like to put it on the second one for the airflow, and then for the heat, I like to do second heat for the blow drying. For my curl my hair, I do the third for both of them, or like the third airflow and the third heat. So let's blow dry the roots. That's good. I think I'm gonna let the rest of it air dry. There's still a couple spots, but I think I'm just gonna let it air dry. Okay, so we got everything done that I wanted to get done today, so I'll see you guys in the next few days for the glow up for traveling. So I didn't get the chance to do my toes when I did my Gel X nails, so I'm actually going to do my toes now. Right now I'm just soaking my feet in a little foot bath. So I'm actually not going to be just going into depth on how I like to do my pedicure. Since I think I might have a YouTube video already on how I like to do my pedicure, so you can go check that out in the cards and in the description. Okay, so of course I'm not going to show my everything shower, or actually I'm going to be taking a bath. So, like I said, I'm not going to show it in the video, but I just want to go through the products that I'm going to be using in the bath. So, The first thing is, so if I have a lot of buildup in my hair from all the dry shampoos, from the mousses, from any other type of hair product, so I go between washes maybe like 2 to 3 days. So when I don't have any of my, when I don't use any product, I will go in with just my regular shampoo. But if I do have a lot of product buildup in my hair, I go in with one of my favorite Briogero products. This is the Briogero Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. I love this shampoo. It's amazing. It smells so good. I really do like this. I'm almost out of it actually, and it really gets the hair really nice, or the scalp really nice and clean, and removes buildup. I love this. So when I'm doing my exfoliating day or wash, I go in with a mask and a conditioner. When I don't do my scalp exfoliation days, I just go with my shampoo and conditioner. For my hair mask, today I'm going to use the Day Monsoon Moisture Mask. I really do like this mask. It smells amazing. It's great. So I leave it on for about 10 minutes. While I leave this on or in the hair, I like to wrap it up one of my my hair towels. I have 2 of them. This one is for in-shower hair towel, and then I have another one that I'm going to show later that I like to use. So this is the one that I use in the shower. I like to kind of put it in my hair while I'm doing my other stuff. So while I'm doing my other stuff, first thing I'm going to do, actually I did forget, okay. First, I'm going to go in by washing my body. I love the Brightest Blossom by Bath & Body Works. This is the body wash, and then I don't have it with me, but I like to use like a dog loofah. I'll put a picture of it here. It's so cute. I love it. So that's what I like to use to wash my body. And then after washing my body, I like to go in with some sort of exfoliator or like a body polish. I love the Osea and Daria Cleansing Body Polish. I sometimes use this one for when I'm doing my manicure and pedicure, but I didn't use it for both manicure and pedicures. I love this one. It smells like the Osea body oil that I'm going to be talking about for my post-shower / bath stuff. So after I go in with doing my exfoliation, I like to shave. So I'm going to take my, I think this is a Venus razor. I'm just going to shave my legs right after I do my exfoliation. The 10 minutes is up. I'm gonna go in with my conditioner. Now I'm gonna use the Briogero Superfoods Mango and Cherry Balancing Conditioner. I love this conditioner. You guys can see that it's almost gone. It's one of my favorite conditioners. I really do like it. Now we have post-shower / bath stuff. So the first thing that I do when I get out of the shower is I put on my outside of the shower hair towel. So I just have another one that I use for just outside of the shower. I put that on, and then I like to do my body lotion type stuff or body oil. So for the body oil, I'm going to use the Osea and Daria Algae Body Oil. I love this body oil. It is one of my favorites. It does smell like the body polish, and it's amazing. So I'm going to apply this all over my body, and then to kind of seal the body oil in, I like to go in with a lotion. So I'm going to take the Brightest Blossom, this one, the Brightest Blossom Body Lotion, just to, like I said, seal everything in. And okay, that completes my everything shower / bath. Now let's go ahead and do a facial. Okay, so I know this video is for the glow up. I'm going to do it in multiple days. That's why I have a different outfit in some of the clips. I just wanted to get that out there really quick before we start doing my facial. Now, the first thing that I like to do when I do my facial is to remove all of my makeup. So I'm going to remove my makeup using the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Okay, I put some on my reusable cotton round, and I'm going to hold it on my eyes for about a couple seconds and then kind of rub it in, and then do the same thing to the other eye. For the rest of my makeup, I only use this for my eye makeup. For the rest of my makeup, I'm going to use my cleanser. This is the ITK Milk to Foam Gentle Cleanser. And then I'm also going to use the Ariel Luna 4 for this as well. Okay, now that that is applied, I'm going to turn on the Foreo device. Now I'm going to do a second cleanse doing the same exact thing. I'll come right back with when that is done. Okay, now that my face is all nice and clean, I'm going to do my facial steamer. It is heating up right now, so I'll have to wait until it is heated up, and then I'll come back and we can do the facial steamer. Okay, now it's time to shave the face. Now, I'm still kind of new to shaving the face, so I don't really know like a good technique to do it yet. Yeah, so I have my Revlon razor. I think I want to get a better one than Revlon. I don't know. But this is the best I can do right now, so I'm gonna use this. And I also just have a tissue just on my finger so I can clean up the blade when I'm doing this. So I'm not going to add any face oil or anything. I'm just going to, I'm gonna also shave a little bit the eyebrows as well. The shaving is done. Let's go to my makeup table to do the rest of my facial routine. Okay, so now it's time to exfoliate. So since we already did exfoliate with the shaving, I'm not going to actually use an exfoliating product like a BHA liquid exfoliant. I just want to share two of my favorite ones. This is the Paula's Choice BHA liquid exfoliant, and then this one is the Naturium BHA liquid exfoliant. But I would go in with one of these if I didn't shave the face. So now let's see. So at this point, I actually like to apply my lip balm just so it has enough time to absorb into the lip. So I'm gonna try it. I've never tried this before. I'm gonna take a Q-tip and I'm gonna use my Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is the berry one. I'm gonna use this to apply the mask. The lip balm. Now let's go with the toner. I'm gonna take one of my favorite toners. This is the Watermelon Glow. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. I'm going to use my reusable cotton round here to apply this. It is applied. I'm going to now go in to an essence. I'm going to use the Jaffa Royal Revitalize Essence. I'm just going to let the Glow Recipe toner just soak in for a little bit. And I'm going to use the other side of the cotton round and apply this. Now I'm going to apply a serum. I'm going to use one of my favorite serums. I actually just got this one today in the mail. This is the ITK Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I love putting serums in my little mini skincare fridge. It's so nice. I'm gonna get my chest and neck as well. Okay, so my camera died, so now I'm back, and now I'm going to use a retinol. Now this is my first time actually using a retinol, and this is a gentle retinol. This is the ITK Gentle Retinol Serum. I'm going to apply it where I have more of breakouts or like acne scars. That's pretty much really only on my jawline and chin. Next, I'm going to go in with my Osea Atmosphere Protection Cream. Okay, so I'm filming on my phone right now just because I like to charge my camera during the night, so it's charging right now. So there's one more thing that I like to do, but for my facial routine, but I like to do it right before I go to bed. So I'm going to take my 2020 Get Growing lash serum, lash and brow serum, and I'm also going to use a Q-tip to apply it. So I'm going to squirt some of this on the back of my hand and then to apply it on the lash line. Eating dinner. Okay, so that is my facial routine done. I'm also going to show what I'm going to be packing for my trip. Okay, so it's the next day after my at-home facial, and now I'm going to be showing you guys what I am going to be packing. So we're actually going to be leaving tomorrow. So I'm going to show you first what's in my personal item. So I just have this 5 Seconds of Summer fanny pack thing that I'm going to be bringing. So in this big compartment, first I have, this is my current wallet, iPhone case wallet. Then we have my sunglasses case. On my Wally case, it has 2 little things where you can strap like a little strap on it, and I just keep. Next we have a little jewelry pouch. I'm just going to use this for like just my ring that I always wear. So that is the big, that's everything that's in the big pouch. And then the smaller pouch in the front is just all of my like, oh, I actually do need to get, I forgot one thing. All of my, like, I call it kind of like my ear pressure stuff. So I have some gum and some mints. This is my little mini carry-on suitcase that I'm going to be bringing. So in this first pocket here, I just have the book I'm going to be reading on the airplane. And then in this next part, I just have my liquids bag. This was the Sonia Kashuk bag that it just came with these little things. So in this pocket here, I just have my sleep mask I like to use when I sleep. And then I also have 2 mini clips because I like to clip up my hair. And then this is the Ali Glines brush bag from her brush collection. So I just have some of my brushes, some of my makeup brushes that I like to use, and then a Sephora mirror, and then the Beauty Blender powder puff. So I have a jacket in here, and then my swimsuit. And then I have 1 pair of pants. I have my pajamas. In fact, 2 shirts are here, and then here is my toiletry / makeup bag. I didn't have enough space for 2, like a toiletry bag and a makeup bag, so I just put all of my toiletries and my makeup in 1 bag. Okay, so that's everything that I'm going to be bringing on my trip. That is the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!